Argentinian house. It has a really big ceiling and a very nice wooden atmosphere. And it's very bright and it looks so big. The thing that I like about this house, of course, is the architecture, which is all architecture, and we also get a piano with it. I haven't practiced piano for 10 years, but then I get a chance to play it. So we need to climb up a little bit here. It's kind of mezzanine style, and I really like the style that is floating is there. So it makes the house even looks bigger than it's actually. So in between the living room and the bedroom is a toilet. So you can check in here. It has a bath and also the shower. And of course, Buenos Aires Argentinian style of bidet. Bidet? Is that what you call it? Yeah. And next to the shower is the closet. Closet here. So I save some of my clothes there, which is not many. And let's see the house. And also I like this style of the light because it's easy for you at night. You just turn on the light for toilet. And here it is, the upstairs part, which is very big for a bedroom. And I also really appreciate that it has a really big TV here. And I can always watch Netflix at night, which I always do, since there's not much to do here. Aside from that, another thing that I like from the house is a small patio here. So actually there is a outdoor space in here, so I can hang out my clothes here. And even though there's not much scenery, but it's okay because at least there's an open space. It's just a jungle of concrete, but it's fine. This is a minor thing about this place. And let's check out downstairs as well. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, because it's an old house, so it also has like old kind of a heater, and sometimes it has a problem, but it's very minor to compare to the price of the house and how it looks like, because I really enjoy this kind of house. And downstairs here, just right under the stair, is a toilet. So I think you can invite friends. They can always use that toilet because the other toilet is actually for shower as well. So it also have a very unique kind of interior, because then you can see these marbles. I don't know if it's marbles or just ceramic, but it's really nice for toilet, and wooden seat. Here is the kitchen. We have the set of food here. It saved my life because I love Asian food, so I just cook it here because I'm going to find really good Asian food here. But it equips with all sort of a kitchen set that you need: blender, the microwave, the freezer, everything. So it's very complete. I don't need to bring anything. I can just cook here. In this kitchen area, there's always this small table that you can flip up and down. So if you want to invite friends, come over, you can flip it up to make the space look bigger. And this is my cake. I always make cake while in Argentina, because as you know, we're all trapped, we're all at home, so we need to do something making cake. And before I escort you outside, I want to show you the other part of the patio, which is in there. It's a really nice area, but pretty small. So let's check it out. Here, this is where I actually wash my clothes. So they already provide the washing machine here, and I always just hang it out upstairs. This neighbor's dog, by the way, they always bark whenever someone comes only the bedroom. So this whole house for 1 month during Corona is actually pretty cheap compared to if it's not Corona time. So it's only $500 per month. And I really enjoy my time here, stuck in Argentina, and just be productive in this house because it actually, you know, serves an atmosphere I needed for being productive. And that's it for me. And the other plus thing is that this house is pretty close to Central, so a lot of you know, grocery stores and cafes and restaurants that you can purchase takeaway. Still on lockdown, remember? Per June 2020 now. So that's it from me. Now I will escort you outside. Thanks for coming. Bye. And I'll see you in the comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.